Located in the Bankenviertel Central Business District, the 4 Frankfurt project, with its 4 skyscrapers connected one to each other by a multi-story plinth, is currently one of the biggest high-rise buildings project under construction in Europe. The foundation works included the execution of a diaphragm wall excavated to depths varying between 28 and 42 meters. The Soilmec SC-135 Tiger is faster and flexible thanks to its sturdy squared boom, and also safer due to the remote controls for hydromill setup and maintenance activities. For all these reasons, the Soilmec SC-135 Tiger has been the answer for the 4 Frankfurt congested job site, with hard rock layers and a demanding location. Powerful, agile and performing, the SC-135 Tiger roars in Frankfurt.